What's up, my people? Thanks for coming and checking out today's video. Today I'm going to be trying out this cordless pull vacuum by Torito. I've already opened the box up to pre-charge it, but yeah, this is one that runs on a lithium-ion battery and uses a brushless motor to go ahead and clean your pool. And again, I did take it out of the box already just to charge it, but I haven't done anything else to it. Here is the little charger it comes with, and it comes with a little hook to be able to pull it out of the water. And there's really not much in the box, but you get a little bit of paperwork, some instructions and the warranty information. And here's the vacuum itself. Not too bad, not too big. It's about 7 pounds, okay? Right here on the bottom of it is where the charging port is and the power button. So it has an indicator light right there on it that turns red when it's just charging. When it's fully charged, this light will turn green. All right, let's get this unplugged. This unit is pretty much just a vacuum. It's to clean the floor of your pool. It won't clean the walls. Now, if we look at my pool right now, I had a whole bunch of kids over yesterday, and luckily it is full of grass. There is grass everywhere. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's grass everywhere, okay? There's a ton of grass. So it runs for about 75 minutes max. And if you want to know how long it takes to charge it, it takes about 2 hours to charge it, okay? And this is where the filter is, okay? We just pull it out when we clean it. So let's go throw it in the pool and see how well it does. All right, all we gotta do is hit the button. We're listening for 2 chirps. All right, and we just drop it in the water. Get the beach ball out of the way. Let her sink on down. Oh, there it goes. And it takes about, I don't know, 15 seconds before it starts taking off. We'll let this guy run for a little while, do its whole cycle, see how well it cleans the pool. So yeah, run time is about 75 minutes. We'll see what it collects, see how well it does. Because the pool, man, it is like really, really dirty right now. All right, so the vacuum has been running for about 10 minutes and it's already cleaned up a lot of the grass and mulch that was down at the bottom of the pool. But if you just watch him, he just cruises around, hits the walls, turns around. He'll make these little sharp little turns sometimes. Deals with the drains pretty well, but it's actually really fast. I'm surprised how much it's cleaned up in like 10 minutes. So when it does come time to pull them out, it does come with this hook that just goes on the end of your pull stick and just clicks right in there. So you can go snatch them right out. All right, looks like the robot is done vacuuming. Looks like it didn't get everything that was in the pool. There's still a few pieces of grass. There's one left over there, some back there, but we're done. Let's go ahead and pull this guy out and see what's in the filter. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so. And it's full of water. Turn this guy over. And, all right. Filter just pops right out of here. Alright, so keeps all the dirt in the base just like right there, just like that. Alright, check that out. A little bit here, a little bit there. Go wash this puppy out. Alright, so we just get the top, slap it back on here. And that's pretty much it, man. The Roker 100 made by Torito. Wireless pull vacuum, pretty nice little vacuum. Pretty good little unit. For it running 2 hours, it did a pretty good job with the pool. Still have some stuff floating on the top, but the majority of everything that's at the bottom of it, all that grass is pretty much gone. There's a few pieces here and there, but it picked it up pretty well. I don't have anything negative to say about it. Only thing negative maybe would be that it's not like controlled by my phone, where I couldn't turn it off if I wanted to while I was going. I kind of had to like hit the button and let it run its thing and then go fish it out. That's probably the only negative thing, but that's like not really a big deal considering the price of this guy is under $200 on Amazon. If you'd like to get one, I'll leave a link down below where you can go ahead and click it. I'll take it to Amazon. Oh, so if you're wondering how many times you can use this guy on one charge, I'm gonna find out here. Just ran it, gonna run it again, or turn it on again to see if it runs again. All right, so it looks like my second attempt to run it again on a single charge. It didn't make it too long. It died right in the middle of the pool about a minute later. So looks like you're gonna have to charge it every time you want to use it. So it runs until the battery is, I guess, low.